Hi everyone, today I shall discuss about the capacitance of an isolated spherical conductor. Suppose this is a spherical conductor of radius capital R and it is placed in a medium of dielectric constant K. Suppose charge plus Q is given to this one, then this charge will be distributed uniformly over its upper surface. Okay, now it is an isolated spherical conductor. Isolated means no any other conductor is placed in the vicinity or near to this conductor. It is a singleton conductor. This is called an isolated conductor. Okay, now we want to find out the capacitance of this isolated spherical conductor. To determine the capacitance of this conductor, we pay attention on its basic formula of the capacitance. We observe that this basic formula includes potential V, and V is the potential on the spherical conductor. Therefore, at first we must have to determine the potential at its surface. Therefore, we use second equation. Suppose point A is placed at the infinity and point B is placed at its surface. In that situation, A will be replaced by infinity and B will be replaced by the distance of the surface from the center, that is capital R. dB equals minus infinity to capital R. E, value of E equals 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught K Q upon R square d. Now this will become integration of dB will be V infinity to capital R equals minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught K Q infinity to capital R. You can rewrite R square goes at the place of the numerator, then it will be R raised power minus 2 dr. It will be minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught K Q R raised power minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 infinity to capital R, because x raised power n dx equals x raised power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Using this formula, integrate this one. Okay, we will find minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught K Q R raised power minus 1 upon minus 1 infinity to R. You will find minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught K into Q upon minus 1 by R infinity to capital R. It will become minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught K Q minus, put capital R here in place of small r, minus minus plus minus 1 upon infinity. This comes out plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught k q upon capital R, and left hand side here v infinity to capital R equals plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught k q upon capital R. Here capital R is the distance of the surface from the center. Suppose potential at the surface be R, infinity that will be 0 equals 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught k q upon capital R. This is the distance from the center of the surface. Suppose instead of br we write simply v, then we find v equals 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught k q upon capital R. This is the equation 3. Now put the value of v from equation 3 into equation 1 and replace this v. You will find v equals 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught k q, value of v, this is q upon q equals c. You will find c equals q upon 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught k q upon r. Q will cancel. You will find 4 pi epsilon naught k into r. Therefore here we find c equals 4 pi epsilon naught k times capital R. C is directly proportional to the capital R of the conductor. Therefore C is directly proportional to the K, means medium dielectric constant of the medium, and C is directly proportional to the radius of the spherical conductor, means C will increase on increasing the dielectric constant. Means if we draw a graph between dielectric constant K and C, we find a straight line. Similarly, if we draw a graph between the capacitance and radius, we find also a graph passing through the origin, and it is a straight line. These two graphs are similar to y equals mx, graph of a straight line. Okay, thanks for watching the video.